In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal settings in Fresha. It's a simple and straightforward process, but it's always good to know exactly how to do it so you can customize your settings to fit your needs. Once you're logged into your Fresha dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice your photo, or it might simply be your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. This is your account icon, and it serves as a quick gateway to access your personal settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. A drop-down menu should appear with a few different options. The one we're interested in today is Personal Settings. Select this option to continue. Upon entering the Personal Settings page, you are greeted with several customization options. This is your personal information hub where you can update a variety of details to ensure your account is properly set up. It's not every day we dive into these settings, but doing so can enhance your overall experience with the platform. Here, you have the chance to update your personal info. This might involve changing your name, updating your email address, or even modifying your contact number. These elements are crucial, especially if you've undergone personal changes recently, perhaps a name change or switching to a new phone number. It's important to keep this information current and accurate to avoid potential confusion or to ensure seamless communication. You'll also find the option to tweak your login security settings. These settings are particularly important as they guard your account against unauthorized access. I recommend periodically reviewing these settings to make sure your account remains secure. Perhaps enhance your password security or explore enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. These little adjustments can offer peace of mind, knowing your account is protected. And that's all there is to it. Making sure your personal settings are correct and up to date is a small effort with a big payoff, allowing you to get the most out of your Fresha experience. Remember, keeping your information updated not only helps in accessing your account more smoothly, but also ensures effective communication with your clients and colleagues. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keep these steps in mind next time you need to make a change. If you have any lingering questions or need additional help, the Fresha support team is always there to assist. Happy tweaking!